Hey there guys, welcome to another video. In today's video we're taking a look at a watch strap for the Apple Watch from Nomad. So this is the Active Strap Pro, and this comes in a couple different flavors. So we do have a brown and black strap, and you can get one with a silver hardware or black hardware. So the one I have right here is the brown leather with silver hardware, and these all run $79.95, whichever one you decide to get. They do also come in different sizes, so they have one for the 42 and 44 millimeter Apple Watch, as well as the 38 and 40 millimeter as well. So you can get one for any watch you have here, and this will support every Apple Watch there is, so Apple Watch Series 0 all the way up to Series 6, as well as the new SE. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we get in the package here. Taking a look at our packaging here, we have the typical Nomad packaging here. We have a picture of the watch here with the strap on here. This is the Active Strap Pro, again for the 44 and 42 millimeter. This one has the silver hardware here. Around the side, Nomad. Around the back here, we get a better look at the strap itself right here. So you get to see that beautiful silver hardware, as well as the ruggedized bottom of the strap here. And it does say it is a waterproof leather premium exterior, molded FKM underside with ventilation grooves, custom 316L stainless steel lugs and buckle, and works with basically all the Apple Watch series versions right there. Popping it open here, you get a preview of the strap as well as some more information about the leather they use here. So it's TerraCare leather and FKM, and it says this world-renowned leather comes from a family-run tannery in Germany operating since 1891. Their centuries-old tanning process produces an entirely hydrophobic leather without any artificial coatings, susceptible to wearing off over time. We bond this to custom molded FKM, a premium fluoroelastomer, to create a strap that's ready for anything. Now, the fluoroelastomer that they use is really good. So another one of their watch straps I have here, I've been using for a couple weeks now, and I absolutely love it. And that is made of that same material. So this strap has been through hell and back, and it has really done very well for me. And again, this one has the silver hardware as well. And again, I've put this through a lot of stuff, so it has taken it in stride, and I absolutely love it. So the Active Strap is going to be just as good as this, except you'll get that nice, beautiful leather that Nomad offers. All right, taking a look at the band real quick here in a little bit more detail. So again, this one needs the brown leather, comes in black also, and you can also get it with black hardware as well. So you have options to match to your watch or to whatever your taste is here. So taking a closer look here, you can see we have the silver hardware. We have this nice, it's a little bit different texture than the regular leather, but still looks really, really nice and can handle a lot more than the traditional leather, because obviously with a leather watch, you're not wanting to take that in water or, do any real active kind of activities with that. So looks really nice and can withstand a little bit more of a beating over the traditional leather. So looking at the bottom here, you see the fluoroelastomer that they have right here. And it looks really nice there. And again, I've been using this one right here, and this one is very comfortable and has been very good to me. So the fluoroelastomer they use is really nice. So let's go ahead and pop this on the watch, and we'll take a look at how it looks. All right, and here we have it on the band right here. Looks really, really good. And again, that silver hardware matches really, really well, whether you have the aluminum or the stainless steel. So I have the stainless steel Series 4, but again, this is compatible with every single Apple Watch that has been out. So from the Series 0 all the way to the current Series 6 and the SE. And it's pretty simple to put on here as well. So you've got quite a few different holes here to get it to your size. So I'm just going to pick one. Hopefully I picked the right one. No, it looks like I picked a too loose of an option here, but hopefully it'll give you an idea of how it looks here. So it looks really, really good. And again, comes in black and brown, so you have some options there. And then if you have the black stainless steel or the black aluminum, you can get the black to match. So looks really, really nice. And again, this is the Active Strap Pro. All right, guys, so this is the Active Strap Pro from Nomad. So this is for all the Apple Watch models. So this one is the brown version with the silver hardware, and you can get a black version as well, and either with silver or black hardware, whichever matches your watch or matches your style. This is a fantastic looking band. This one runs $79.95. So if you wanted to check that out, I will leave a link down below to get this strap if you are interested in it. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this quick video on the Active Strap Pro from Nomad. And if you guys liked the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like this, consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next video.